Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom. Q&A with Rick Smith from Drone Valley. We'll have that coming right up. Before we get into the video, one of the things that Valerie and I really enjoyed yesterday was being able to meet fellow drone content creators from YouTube. Several of them were Ed Ricker, and it was great getting a chance to talk to him. Also, Billy Kyle and Ken Dono, again, great being able to talk to them and share some things with them. And also was able to meet Kelly Shores from Ready, Set, Drone. It was, again, just fantastic getting some time to be able to talk to them and to know them. Of course, Rick Smith was there from Drone Valley, and I was able to get a few minutes with Rick and ask him do some Q&A with him regarding the event. So I'm going to go ahead and roll that clip right now.
So Rick, what do you think? I think it's amazing, absolutely amazing. I was expecting it to be very cool, but when I saw both the Zoom and the Pro, some of those features are absolutely groundbreaking. And I think what they're trying to do with this drone is build something that you forget about flying it and you can just focus on the shot, which is really what I care about. Now, what did you think?
Well, the thing that just blew me away is being able that the drone is going to process all of that and do that and be able to get these shots for us without any post.
Right.
It'll all be done. A hyperlapse is just absolutely, that just blew me away. Just watching what we're going to be able to do.
I think professional photographers are going to hate us because we're lazy. Because we can make those shots look like Hollywood shots with just that drone. Just put it up and shoot those shots.
I mean, you don't need to get, $500,000 and CGI and have a helicopter and flying and all this. You can do it from a $1,200, $1,400 drone.
Totally agree. And I said a year ago, the first company that comes out with a foldable, collapsible drone with one sensor is going to own the market. That drone's the one to own.
Oh,
Zoom is a wonderful product as well, but I think that Mavic 2 Pro is outstanding.
I agree. So, one of the things I really liked was what DJI did was how they do like the new Flymore kit, as they're calling it. That is absolutely fantastic. What they're holding in there, especially that charging hub. I think that's just a fantastic idea.
Very cool idea. Yeah, really nice. I like that they separate it because that way you can buy the drone, you can add the kit later on. You're not forced to buy everything at once.
Exactly.
I like that.
And the other thing that I really liked was having that new program where be able to change gimbals and be able to change your camera.
Right.
That's groundbreaking.
Because that's one thing that breaks more often than anything else when you crash.
Yeah.
Is the gimbals. Yeah, exactly.
I think that, they really hit a home run in all aspects.
I agree.
DJI Care Refresh is back.
I came here expecting a lot, and they've exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, I'm the same way.
I know I sound like a fanboy, but I don't care. It's just so cool.
The same thing here. Yeah. Rick, it's been a pleasure being able to see you again. It was nice to meet your son.
Yep.
And we thank you for filming the video.
Welcome to the East. Yeah, you guys
welcome.
We'll see you down there in Florida.
Sounds good.
All right, great.
Absolutely enjoyed being able to talk to Rick and get his thoughts on the event. So I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. Rick, I also want to thank your son for being able to film the video. Valerie wasn't available at the time. So again, pass that on to your son. And I really enjoyed the opportunity being able to meet him. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying!